Your porch or garden deserves to join in the Christmas magic. Outdoor planters are a stunning way to welcome guests with seasonal beauty and warmth. From evergreens and berries to twinkling lights and ribbons, festive planters turn any entrance into a holiday showpiece. Let's explore outdoor Christmas planter ideas that bring cheer from your doorstep to the street. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the best type of greenery to use? Mix pine, cedar, and spruce branches for fullness. Add eucalyptus or magnolia leaves for contrast and long-lasting color. Greenery done? Like this if your planter feels lush and festive. What colors work best for outdoor planters? Classic red and green always work, but gold and white feel modern. For a natural look, combine brown, silver, and soft green tones. Colors matched? Like this if your planter palette feels perfect. What about using natural accents? Include birch logs, cinnamon sticks, or berries. Natural textures bring rustic charm and balance out metallic or glittered accents. Nature-styled? Like this if your planter feels earthy and warm. How do I keep my planters fresh all season? Mist greenery occasionally and protect from strong wind. Avoid overwatering if temperatures drop below freezing. Care done? Like this if your greenery stays fresh and full. How do I incorporate ornaments outdoors? Use shatterproof balls, pine cones, or snowflake picks. Cluster them in groups for sparkle that stands out in any winter setting. Ornaments shining, like this if your planter glows with joy. How do I finish the look? Top with faux snow, extra lights, or a festive bow. Step back and adjust for symmetry until your display feels perfectly complete. Finishing flawless, like this if your porch shines with Christmas charm. How do I choose the right planter for Christmas decor? Pick sturdy containers that handle cold weather, metal, wood, or ceramic. Neutral tones let your greenery and ornaments shine. Planter ready? Like this if your base feels strong and stylish. How can I add height and depth to my design? Layer tall branches in the center and shorter pieces around the edge. Vary textures for depth and a professional, full look. Height balanced, like this if your arrangement feels bold and elegant. Can I use lights in outdoor planters? Absolutely. Add battery-powered fairy lights or mini LED strands. Wrap them around branches for a soft, magical evening glow. Lights glowing? Like this if your planter twinkles all night long. Can I create a theme for my planters? Yes, try rustic lodge, frosted forest, or candy cane delight. A theme helps unify your porch or pathway decor beautifully. Theme chosen? Like this if your planters tell a festive story. Can I add flowers to my Christmas planter? Yes. Try winter blooms like poinsettias, hellebores, or red cyclamen. Their color pops beautifully against greenery and snow. Flowers added? Like this if your planter blossoms with cheer. Can I add a touch of whimsy or fun? Of course, add snowman picks, candy canes, or ribbon bows. Playful accents add personality and make your entrance feel joyful. Whimsy added? Like this if your planter makes everyone smile. Outdoor Christmas planters bring warmth and cheer to cold winter days. With greenery, ornaments, and a touch of sparkle, they make your home feel inviting before guests even step inside. This season, let your porch or garden bloom with the magic of Christmas. Inspired by these planter ideas? Like and check back for more festive decorating inspiration.